The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'm back from my break. I did not do a BABA analysis last Friday. I did do it on February 10th. And I was expecting a big move down to occur, and that's exactly what we got. However, I was expecting some type of bounce to occur at the 93.56 level, which was the top of this breakout. Since we did not get that, this could be doing something else, and it could be back to being bearish. So let's take a look at the chart for Alibaba. So basically, we made two legs up. This was the first leg higher. This was the second leg higher. Market moves in twos. And we were pretty much trading right around a very strong resistance. You can see how well BABA is not breaking through this 120 level. So there's something going on right here where prices cannot break it. I mean, we can't break it since March of last year. So, you know, there's something going on here, and prices rejected again. So we continue to trend down. It's going to go test some other level until it cannot break that. So as right now, it's continuously breaking some type of support, and we're probably going to be seeing lower prices. So we had two legs up, overextended, and we were at a key resistance level. So we pretty much we're going to get that pullback, and we had a lot of large gaps that were created on the way up. So this was looking like BABA was going to continue much lower. Earnings were released just a few days ago, and yeah, just yesterday, actually, yesterday in the morning. So BABA gapped up, and we got that bounce actually from that 93 whatever level, 93.96 level, and then prices gapped back down. So basically the market makers or whoever were like, okay, let me bump up the price during earnings report, trick a bunch of people, and then I get to short at a higher price. So when prices drop down, I'm already in profit. So that's exactly what happened. We gapped up at the 100 level, and then pretty much price traded down throughout the day until it closed at the 94 level. So we were a little overextended, due for a bounce. We got that bounce at that level that was expected. That was just a trick, and then prices continue to break down. So since we came back inside of this little tiny range, this one right here, this is not a good sign, and pretty much looks like we're in this downtrend right here. And we also did get rejected from the top side, or the resistance side of the channel. So this is looking pretty bearish. It's going to make this one also green, and macro structure is taking precedence over the micro structures. So I can put a range pattern for the macro structure, and it looks like this is probably the range. The range lows aren't as clear as the range highs, so BABA could be bouncing early or even break lower. So we'll probably leave it right here for right now at the 74.75 level. So since we hit the top side, market structure tells me we are going back to the bottom side, and it looks like BABA is rushing down to get there. There's a lot of gaps right here that could be filled, so these are potential targets that could be taken out. We're moving at a very aggressive rate, so we could be seeing some type of retracement fairly shortly, maybe something like that, but there's a good chance we probably get another attempt lower. So BABA, we were due for a big drop. We got that drop, but now it's dropping more than expected. So that tells me we're probably not going to be bullish anytime soon. Most likely we are probably going to see lower prices in the future. Let me go make this yellow. So it's looking like we're just due for a bounce. We're overextended, much more overextended than before. So let's see if we would just go trading sideways or see a bounce up. But either way, it does look like it's trying to retest the 74.75 level. So that's all I have for BABA. We're probably not going to get there anytime soon. Maybe not. It is a low probability to be rushing that quickly down, but it is a possibility. Most likely we're probably going to bounce from the 85 level, see some type of pullback before prices continue lower. So that's all I have on the daily chart for Alibaba. Here is the weekly chart, and it does make a little more sense of what the market is trying to do. So basically, prices could not hold this EMA on the weekly chart, so telling me that we cannot reverse, meaning that we are not in an uptrend currently. The downtrend still looks to be in place, so since we rushed below the EMA again and closed below it by a decent amount, it's looking kind of bearish. A strong support on this weekly chart is right around this $80 level, so maybe we come back to retest that before getting some type of bounce. And the reason we're probably going lower is because usually the market moves in twos, like I mentioned before. So since we had a breakout side of this downtrend pattern, we did have 2 legs down on the microstructure. This was the first leg down, this was the second leg down before seeing a large reversal up. But since we're seeing another move down, most likely this 2 legs were just one large leg on the macro picture, and that would take us right to the all-time lows again at the 53-55 level. So I don't think we can get there. We'll have to wait and see. Sometimes on the second leg, if we come up short, so for example, if we don't reach it, if we just stop right here at the 75-76 level, this can lead to a massive rally higher. So we'll have to wait and see if the market wants to make another large leg up after coming short of the second leg, or they're going to complete the second leg down. We'll have to wait and see. Looking for the $75 to $80 level to be the deciding factor. So we'll have to wait and see if the market wants to do that, or it's really bearish and we're gonna go back down to the low. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, Baba definitely was bearish and it still continues to look bearish. We're getting a little bit overextended, so maybe we see some sideways price action or even a pullback. But there's a good chance we probably still continue to see some downward momentum due to these macro structures playing out, and Baba still looking kind of weak instead of bouncing early. So we'll have to wait and see. But as of right now, I'm expecting lower prices, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.